What's up guys? Hope you are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the keyboard settings or how you can change keyboard font in your device OnePlus Nord 3. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video.